Okay, number 5 says which molecule is most soluble in water. So we're talking about the solubility in water here. And I have these C2H6, I have C3, CH2, CH2, 4, yeah, OH, CH3, CH2, 4COH, CH3OH. Okay, which is most which is most soluble in water? So take a moment to think about this question here. Let me categorize. It says A, B, and C, D. So here's A, B, C, and D. So take a look at these compounds here. Which one would be the most soluble in water? And water, again, is H2O, right? So water here has this kind of compound here. So I'm looking for, water is polar, right? So I'm looking for basically a polar compound, right? I'm looking for another polar compound because I know that like dissolves like here. Polar dissolves in polar solvents, right? We want polar molecules in polar solvents that dissolve as well. So we're talking about solubility in water. It has a higher solubility in water, right? So first, when we take a moment to think about this, but look at all 4 of these compounds. Which one is polar? Which ones are non-polar? And then figure out what intermolecular forces exist in those compounds here. So let's take a moment to think about that. So right off the bat, we can tell that C2H6 here is a non-polar compound. If we did draw out this this compound here, if we drew out C2H6, so let me draw this out for you. I have 2 carbons here, and then I have hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. I have 6 hydrogens here and 2 carbons. This is a non-polar compound, right? If it's a non-polar compound, it will not dissolve in water. So this is C2H6 here. This will not dissolve in water. Again, all my carbons are bonded, are saturated with hydrogens, and carbon and hydrogen, the electronegativity difference is too small for it to be a polar compound. Therefore, this here is a non-polar compound. So this answer here is incorrect, right? So A is incorrect. Looking at B here, I have CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. This looks like I have a hydroxide here, hydroxide kind of alcohol group, hydroxyl group at the end here. So I believe this is butanol. Butanol is, it could be soluble in water actually because it's a polar molecule, right? I have OH here. It's going to draw, it's electronegativity difference between the carbon and the oxygen here, which will make it polar. So it would dissolve in water here. This compound here, I have CH3, CH2, 4. So I have 4 of these guys. So I believe I have this would be pentanoic acid, right? And this, actually no, I have hexanoic acid, sorry, because I have another carbon here. So this is hexanoic acid. This compound may dissolve in water just because I do have a carboxylic acid group, which does make it polar. However, the long carbon chain in the 6 carbons here might not make it soluble. So maybe one end of it might be soluble in terms of the carboxylic group because that will dissolve in water. However, the other end of the hexanoic acid is non-polar, right? Because it's a full chain. The only intermolecular forces that exist in that part would be the London dispersion forces. The weak electrostatic forces between the 6 carbons here. So in this case, this one would probably not be soluble in water just because one of the tail ends aren't soluble. So I would say C here is incorrect. Finally, D here is I just have methanol here. Methanol is very, very soluble in water because it's a small group first. And it has a hydroxyl group at the very end here. So I would say methanol here would be our correct answer. Methanol versus butanol. Again, butanol has, the 4 carbon chain here. It is pretty long. It's definitely longer than the methanol chain here. So methanol would be our correct answer in terms of the most soluble water, molecule water. If I were to kind of group these guys, I would put methanol first as in the most soluble here, and then butanol, and then hexanoic acid, and finally ethane as our solubility, if I were to rank the solubility here. So in this case, methanol here is our correct answer. It says here C2H6B hydrocarbon is nonpolar. That's good. Insoluble. Perfect. Methanol is more soluble than butanol because water forms strong hydrogen bonding with OH. That's good. As the alkyl chain increases, the tendency of the OH group to form hydrogen bond decreases, making them less soluble. So that's what I talked about in terms of the London dispersion forces that exist in the alkyl chain. Methanol and hexanoic acid are both polar compounds, but hexanoic acid is less soluble than methanol because of the nonpolar chain. Good. Therefore, methanol is most soluble. Solution here is correct.